Hey, how's it going on, guys? Welcome to Glendale, Arizona. We're here today at the beautiful weather. We're gonna do a review for the DJI Mavic Mini, and we're gonna show you guys a couple of different drone shots that we've taken and just kind of show you the beautiful weather out here in Arizona while also letting you know more information about the product itself. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here it is, the DJI Mavic Mini. The whole combo that we have here is a Fly More combo. You can get this for $499 on Amazon. If you go to the DJI website, you can buy the Mavic Mini for $399, but it only comes with the drone by itself. With this pack, you get 3 extra batteries right here, as you guys can see. You have 3 extra batteries, so that gives you roughly about 90 minutes of fly time combined. Each battery is about 30 minutes, and trust me, you get some beautiful shots from it. So here we have the 3 batteries. Each battery has roughly about 2400 milliamp hours, which gives you about 30 minutes of flight time. The batteries are really sturdy. There's no kind of like cheap feel to it. So that's the batteries for you. So one of the biggest cons about the batteries is the charge time and the amount of time productivity you get out of it. For all 3 of these combined together, it takes approximately about 2 hours and 45 minutes to charge, and that's for each individual battery. You're only going to get about 30 minutes of flight time. 30 minutes of flight time also ranges on the amount of Wi-Fi it uses, the range that it goes out to, and how quickly it utilizes the battery for the videos that you are recording. Alright, so next up what we're going to have a look at is the controller for this. The DJI Mavic Mini comes with a controller. These are the 2 joysticks. These are the antennas that you would want to open up just for that wide range. And then these bottom pieces actually connect over to your phone. So this is the range that you can put your phone into, and you'll have this little wire out here that will connect up onto your phone. Also inside here, as you see, these 2 little prongs, these are actually the joysticks. You could pull them out, and it's a quick little screw in that you could do. And let's go ahead and get this one in here. Cool. Now you have your joysticks ready for flight. Let me talk to you about a couple of the buttons back here. So you have this little spiral piece right here. This is for your zoom in and out, and this is where your gimbal camera that's on the front of the Mavic drone can go 90 degrees down or straight up top. Next up, onto the left hand side is your record key for video recording. On your right hand side you have the quick shot. This is for all the camera shots, whether you want to take a rocket shot or even just a circle where drone pans out all the way around you at a 360-degree angle. Right here is a button for returning the drone back home, which means it'll come back to this range and it'll fly back to you and land in front of you. And then this is obviously your power button. So there you have it, guys. That was the controller for you. Now with the controller you get 3 different wirings and cablings. First one is the lightning port, so this is compatible with your iPhones. The next one is the USB-C, which is practically all brand new Android phones, and hopefully soon the iPhones as well. And then obviously if you're super old school and you have a really old Android phone, this is what you're looking at. It's a micro USB. So it comes with all 3 cables within the box with the Fly More combo, and it allows you to basically shoot with any phone of your preference. Alright guys, now for the main part. Here we go. This is it. This is the DJI Mavic Mini right here. This is the most portable drone, most budget drone, and one of the best ones for any kind of beginner drone flyers. If you're not ready to jump into the big boys like the Mavic Pro, this is one of the best ones. You can get this for $400 on Amazon. The beautiful part about this specific drone is the fact of its weight. So the US laws have a weight law when it comes to drones. If it's above 250 grams, you have to register your drone with the FAA. DJI kind of came out with this product just before they found out about the law, but luckily they got it just at 249.7 grams. So it's just under that 250 grams for registering with the FAA. So that's a beautiful part of this. You don't have to register with the FAA. It says it right here, 249 grams, the most lightweight budget drone that you'll find out there. And the beautiful part, like I said earlier, is you do not have to register this with the FAA, as it stays under the 250 gram limit. Now, the other beautiful thing is right up front, this is your gimbal camera that they use. This camera shoots up to 2.7K at 30 FPS. Now, unfortunately, if you want that 4K, this will not provide you that, for which I would recommend probably moving on up to the $800 DJI Mavic 2. Now, let's go ahead and take this shielding off of the camera. And there it is, guys. This is the camera. It's on a 3-axis that it works on, in addition to which it can go all the way down 90 degrees and go all the way up. All of these can be controlled off of that remote controller arm. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Right here we have the power button. Right here we have easy access to micro USB charging, and we have our micro SD card where you can actually go ahead and put any kind of memory. You can switch it out whenever you want, you can put it in whenever you want, and switch it out as much as you want. Right up here in this flap is where the battery goes in. So this is where our batteries that we showed you earlier will be going in, and then you are all ready and set for that flight time going up. Now, as you guys can see, these are the propellers and the drone arms that come out. So let's go ahead and get these out. And there it is, guys. This right here is the DJI Mavic Mini. Alright guys, so here we have Jimmy, my partner. He's actually going to go ahead and set up everything for you guys and for us to enjoy these drone shots that we're going to be showing you guys here soon. As you can see, he's getting that controller set up. One of the key things that we always try to make sure we don't forget on this one, that we have forgotten multiple times, is the joystick. Getting that joystick and plugging it in, because it's such a small aspect that sits within the covers, and you know, people just tend to forget about those joysticks. So there we go, he's gone ahead and screwed on both of those joysticks on there. His phone is ready and set up to start connecting to the Mavic and shooting. And as you guys can see right here, Jimmy's actually going to go ahead and demonstrate how to turn on and turn off that drone. So firstly, you just push the power button that is at the bottom there. You'll see all the lights light up. Hold it down, it's going to give you all those lights go up, and you'll hear a little clicking sound, which basically tells you that it's ready to go, it's on, and it's ready to connect to a controller. Now to turn it off, what we want to do is go ahead and press that. You will see those lights blink. Press it one more time, you'll see all the lights go down, and then let go. Now your drone is off. So now here, as Jimmy has shown you guys, this is the controller, and this is how you power on the controller. There's a power button on the top right. Press that up and you'll see those lights come on. Then you press it down one more time. It's basically ready to connect to the drone. Now to power it off, press it once, you'll see the lights blink. Press it one more time, see the lights go down, and it is ready to turn off. Alright guys, so as I said earlier, let's make sure once you get that drone on and ready for connection, you will hear that little clicking sound inside where everything is just starting up and warming up. Next thing you want to do is actually go into the DJI Fly app that is on your phone. Obviously with today's demonstration, we're doing this on an Android phone. And so at the bottom right, you will see something that says Connect Aircraft. After that, it'll tell you to choose the drone that you have. You have two options, which is the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Air 2. You obviously want to choose the Mavic Mini, as that is the drone that we are working with here today. It'll let you know how to connect the controller and how to connect it to the drone itself. Gives you all of that step by step. Once you have your controller on and ready to connect up with the DJI drone, we'll be able to get the connection through on the phone, and it'll show you that, you know, it's either connected or the camera's ready to go. It'll switch into the camera mode, and now you should be ready to take off on your drone. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we are going to show you right here on this demo, once you have the phone connected to the drone, there is a button on your phone that will say get ready to take off. And so Jimmy is actually going to go ahead and hit that right now, and your propellers will start turning on. There we have it, guys. So there it is, guys. That is the DJI Mavic Mini. You guys saw all the features with the sport mode, with the cinematic mode, with position mode. Now, the views that you get from it are amazing. This is a great budget friendly. It's good for all your beginners that want to actually try out how to fly a drone, how to film things, how to get different shots. Obviously, like I said, if you want 4K, unfortunately you're not going to get that with this DJI Mavic Mini, but this will give you 2.7K up to 30 FPS. But if you tone it down to 1080p, you can knock up your frames per second to 60 frames per second. So you're still gonna get that crystal clear, great quality. So this is more just for the consumers. This is for those people that are out there that just want to kind of take some good videos of bird's eye views of different locations, different sites that you guys are actually looking to go look at. It's great, especially if you go to like California beaches, hit that rocket shot, hit a little full circle, do a helix. You'll get some amazing views from it. Also, a lot of people can use this for when it comes to bird's eye view. For example, like an amphitheater like this, it'll record it at some great quality. You can just have the drone sitting at eye level. It'll give you the bird's eye view. You can go higher. The other great feature about the app as well is it will actually now tell you which areas are actually a fly zone, which areas are a no-fly zone. Obviously in the no-fly zone areas, you have about 2 minutes before you can bring your drone back. Besides that, overall, I'm happy with this, man. I am very happy with this DJI Mavic Mini. If you guys do have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to go ahead and let us know down below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Have a good one. See you on the next one.